What we realize is that most of our women and girls may not be coming to our facilities the way we would want them to. So we want to encourage them, as far as family planning is concerned, to come to our facilities, because there they can be given the right health education, they can be empowered, and then they will be helped according to their status. They will be helped to choose the right family planning method. And we also want to talk against the stigma about family planning, because there is that notion that when you are talking about family planning, you want to curtail women from giving birth. What we are saying is that we just want to give them knowledge and empower them on the methods that they can choose, so that they can be able to space their children, to get healthy children. And we know when children are spaced, we get healthy children, and their mortality is also low. So we would really discourage those who go to the counters to buy pills without knowing the side effects of those drugs they are taking, and come to our facilities, which are open every day. Currently, family planning, the women who are coming to our facilities is at 50%, and we would like to up the game. And I believe even as Del Monte starts this challenge, they are also going to help us improve our indicators. What is affecting women, mostly as far as cancer is concerned, even in this county, is breast cancer and cervical cancer. And we are very happy because this program is actually going to help us improve in our indicators in Murang'a County, as more women are going to be empowered and screened, and we can be able to intervene early. As far as cervical cancer is concerned, I would like to say this is the only cancer we really say boldly that it is curable if it's detected early. And now we also have a vaccine, human papilloma virus vaccine, HPV vaccine, which we are giving to our 10-year-old girls. So I just want to encourage everybody to pass this message, so that this vaccine is given to our girls at 10 years, so that they don't have to suffer from cervical cancer in the